Hey guys, welcome back to another cocktail video. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite cocktails, the Whiskey Sour. Let's do it. So of course we're starting with whiskey. I'm using Canadian Club 100% rye whiskey. This is kind of my go-to whiskey for cocktails. I think it's important to find a good quality yet inexpensive whiskey in your region that's kind of your go-to for cocktails. So this one's mine and it's great. So 2 ounces of whiskey. Next up, our lemon juice. Freshly squeezed, that's the way to go. We're doing a full ounce of lemon juice. Next up, we have plain 1-to-1 simple syrup. We're going to do 3/4 ounce. You could do a full ounce, but I don't like it too sweet. Next up, our egg white. So crack open an egg and make sure not to get any yolk in there. We just want that egg white. Now, don't be scared about this ingredient. I know it's raw, but I mean, you've had mayonnaise, you've had hollandaise, you've had raw egg white before. Don't worry about it. So we're going to give this a dry shake. What that means is we're going to shake one time without ice. That's going to help mix that egg with the booze, with the lemon juice, get everything mixed together, get everything emulsified. Maybe about 20 seconds shake there. And now we're going to add ice and we're going to shake a second time. So this is going to be our big shake. Now we're going to shake long because we really want this one to get frothy. That egg white is going to help it become really frothy and smooth. So a good 30-second, 40-second shake. Really get in there, get a workout. Okay, serving. You got 2 options with a whiskey sour. Some like to serve it up on in a coupe or cocktail glass. I like to serve it on a rocks glass with a big, large ice cube, but that's up to you. So make sure to get every last drop in there. Look at that beautiful white foam that forms on top, signature of a whiskey sour. Okay, let's talk garnish. You could garnish this with a maraschino cherry, Luxardo cherry. You could do a lemon wedge. I do that often. But my favorite garnish is actually some bitters. So I'm going to grab some Peychaud bitters because they're bright red and very vibrant. And we're going to drop a couple drops on there. And then using a cocktail skewer, we're just going to swizzle it around and make a cool design on top as best you can. It's got a few more drops in there. As you can see, I'm not very good at this, but I think it looks cool. Just move it around, do a cool little artsy design, and I mean, not only does it look cool, but every time you go in for a sip, you're going to get a little whiff of those bitters, and it just enhances the experience of the drink. This drink it's very refreshing. It's so smooth because that egg white. If you've never tried the egg white, do it. You don't taste anything. It just makes it really smooth. It adds so much to the texture. So give this a try. Make your whiskey sours at home. You don't need store-bought sour mix. All you need is simple syrup, lemon juice, egg white, and whiskey, of course. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when we release new videos, and we will see you next time. Cheers.